Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm heading out to get my Argos order. Actually, I purchased parasol. It's because this parasol is cream and this is the one that I like, but most of the time during summer they're out of stock. So finally they're back in stock now. I cannot use it, but I will I bought it. So, and then after that, I'll just store it and hopefully it will be good for the Argos patio set that I purchased last time. Remember, this one, it's not sale. It's 75 pound full price. So, yeah, and they don't have the base. It's not available. But anyway, I have to go out to get it and hopefully I will try to go to shops also if I have still time. But now, guys, quickly, I'll show you what I purchased in Zara, Primark, and my order from Amazon, and a little of Home Bargains, because you know, maybe you're interested, maybe not, but I just wanted to show you. So this is from Zara. This is just a simple top, and to be honest, I'm thinking to change from white to black. It's because I noticed with white, I cannot really keep it up to be like white. I like this, like white. Sometimes they become like brown or dirty white. So I'm thinking still, because sometimes, you know guys, if it's white, it's easy to match white and all shades of white. But when it's black is good also, but I don't have so much black now because I donate some of that, some I give it to some family. So anyway, this is white from Zara. It's very cheap. It's just 16 pounds. And they have another one, a bit cream of this. So yeah. But I think I need to buy turtleneck. What is this? Ah, this is the one I ordered. Bought in Boots, which is toothpaste. And then in Primark is this boots. Yeah, look at that. Actually, I'm thinking now, maybe I should not buy it. Oof, I think I have a mistake because I'm thinking, I'm searching. Remember last time I bought the sandal from Primark also, which is 22 pounds. This one is 22 pounds also. And I'm just thinking maybe it's cold that time, but maybe not. So during the party, oh, it's even, there's a little like, I don't know, it's still damaged or it's still okay like that. Even the other one also a little bit. So I don't know, but it's cute, right? So I'll just think which one I will use. And then next is this turtleneck. This is so cheap, guys. This is only 8 pounds, which is, anyway, it's okay. But because, you know, Primark now, some of their items are getting more expensive than the usual. So yeah, 8 pounds for this turtleneck. I hope after washing it's still it's okay. Because some I'm lucky with Primark, some I'm not. But later on guys, I will make one video. I'll show you my Zara fox leather jacket that I purchased, and it's damaged already, like, you know, everything is falling off. And I bought 60 pounds, but I bought jacket from Primark before 8 years ago, and it's still doing so good. It's fox leather also, and 18 pounds I purchased that. So imagine. So sometimes for me, honestly, it's like I like Zara, but sometimes Primark have really good items also. Because sometimes when you're lucky or unlucky. Next is this top. This is sale, guys. This is only 3 pounds from 9 pounds. You know, like that. It's not cream, it's like a bit yellow. Yeah. So I bought it because it's sale. You know me, sale. And I will think I need that. Next, oh, this is actually, what color is this? Cream, yeah. Cream. Okay, so this is again sale. 7 pounds from 16 pounds. So, you know, I need it also because it's sale. Yeah, okay, let me check. Yeah. I bought something like this last time from Primark, also black color, but I didn't like it because it's like here, like that, and it doesn't look good. So this one at least it's like V a bit. So I guess this is better. So £7 only. And then last, I purchased so few nowadays, which is good because if you can see my Christmas tree, I have everything already, everything that I need. So yeah, I don't need to buy more. And then socks for my sons, which is only £30, and it's already seven pieces. And then this is from Home Bargains, and I have one in B&M. So this is so cute. I like this one actually. Oh, so cute, guys. If you're planning to give to someone, this is so cute because you can remove this. Look, like that. They can remove it. Yeah, it's really cute notebook. Next is this busy making, mark making plans. Busy making plans from Home Bargains. And then this one because I need to give to teacher more, you know. I bought some already last time, but I purchased another. And then in B&M is this pen. And then this one, actually I opened this one already. And I try it if it's good. So as much as possible, we're trying to be like trying hard to be healthy. So we don't use plastic and we don't drink from plastic like that. So I grabbed this from Amazon, this kettle, which is very classic, from Enjoy High Quality of Life, Sustis Premium Quality. Yeah, this is, and it's really amazing because when it's hot, boiling, you can really hear the whistle, something, you know. Okay, it's here. And then what is this? The warranty? Oh no, user manual. And Sustis, the name. Yeah, it's really good. And then what else I purchased? I used some of this already. I think I did that. Okay, and then this one. Ah, okay, this is for my hair that I purchased. Okay, let me try it now. Okay, let's try. Oh, this is 24 or 30 pounds. Ah, they give even free clip. Okay, which is good. Yeah. And then let's try it. So I can try curl today. I don't want to move the tripod. Oh, I wanted to see how it is. How can I use it? Is it? Oh my god, actually I didn't check the video. Let me see. Maybe it's like that. Ah, okay, maybe I don't need. Okay, just I press it, I guess. Ah, okay, like this. Okay. I just do like this. From the down, really. Ah, like that. And then it will turn. Okay. Okay, like that. Like that. Okay, I will try it later, guys. So this is, and this one. That's it already. I think I order more. This is a switch or something. It's hard to explain things. Extension. And I just like it because you can, what is this? Okay. I just like it because you can just press this one when you don't need. Especially in my desk, I put all the wires only and then I cannot switch it off. So at least this time I can switch it off. Yeah, that's it, guys. I am ready to go now and then I'll clean it later. Bye, guys. Bye.